To prepare a pepper, you'll see people doing it in one of many ways. Some people will cut in there and around to get the seeds out and then pull them out through the top. You may well only want to take a part of your pepper off, and in which case you just cut the piece off that you want, or you can cut it in half and use half the pepper or the whole pepper, whichever you want to, and you can cut it into slices or diced. It's down to you really, depends upon what you're using it in. I'm going to cut this in half and show you how to slice the pepper and also dice it. But we first need to de-seed it. So cut it in half, like so. Then cut the white out and the stalk at the top to remove all of that, and the white pithy bit in the middle. Just comes out with your hands. You can rinse that. I've washed the outside already, but you can rinse the inside to get rid of the seeds if they're difficult to get rid of. When preparing a pepper, I always turn it the other way up, because cutting through the flesh can be quite tricky at times, can be quite tough, but underneath where it's been exposed it's easier to cut. So you can cut, hold the pepper, bridge hold, but if you notice I'm going to move it when I'm slicing. So I'm rocking that across, okay, to expose the side that I want to slice. So you can either use sliced or diced. If I was using this in a pasta salad, I would dice it. If I was using it on a pizza, I may well have some diced, but also use some sliced as well for decoration. Okay, when you get to this part, you use the bridge hold, like so. Now to dice, you just take those strips and cut across. Quality control the size. If you want large diced, you make the gap bigger, or you want finely diced, smaller. So it's down to what you're using it for really, depends upon how you want it to be. Okay, so that's diced pepper and sliced pepper. Okay, three-way cut, cut it in half, then cut slices, and then you can then cut the slices up in order to end up with it diced.